Okay, boys and girls, listen and repeat after me the new words. Okay. Now, bus,
bus,
car,
car,
lorry,
lorry,
camel,
camel,
horse,
horse,
train,
train,
tram,
tram,
boat,
boat,
sheep,
sheep,
submarine,
submarine,
helicopter,
helicopter,
plane,
plane,
spacecraft,
spacecraft,
airship.
airship.
Okay, I think you know how to translate these words, yes? And I want now that you are divided these words from 3 groups: air, land, and water transport. What does it mean, air transport? What does it mean? How?
Воздушный транспорт.
Okay, land transport
Наземный транспорт.
and water transport.
Водный транспорт.
Okay, good. Now I want that you are write down these words and divided these words into 3 groups. Please, who wants to be it first? Victoria, come here. Now, Victoria. How to translate? Thank you very much. You should write and say sheep. Yes? Okay, good. Now, who else? Camila? Come to the blackboard. Boys and girls, be actively, please.
Bus.
How to translate?
Автобус.
Okay, it's very good now. Who else? Nikita. Nikita, please.
Spacecraft.
How?
Spacecraft.
Spacecraft. How to translate?
Космический корабль.
Okay, good now. Tima, please. How to translate?
Машина.
Okay, good. You may sit. Thank you. Now, please. Okay.
Lorry.
How?
Lorry.
Repeat.
Lorry. Грузовик.
Okay, good now. What else? Kenya, please come here. Repeat.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Вертолет.
Okay, good now. Who is next? Camila. Oh no, it's not you. Please, Lena.
Airship.
How to translate?
Airship. Дирижабль.
Okay, good now. What else? Sabina, come here.
Plane.
Plane.
Plane. Самолет.
Самолет. Okay, good. You may sit. Camila, please. You want to write the second word?
Train.
How?
Train.
Tram. How to translate?
Трамвай.
Tramway. It's very good now. What else? Who wants to come to the blackboard? Once more again, please. Victoria, come here.
Boat.
How to translate? Boat.
Лодка.
Vodka. Okay, I think that's enough, yes? Now, we all of you divided these words from the 3 groups. You all of you knows, yes, how to translate, how to read these words. And now, next, I want that you all of you open your books on page number 18. And I want that we are doing exercise number 2. do the Explorer quiz. Listen, read, and try to answer for this question. Now, be ready, please. Now, let's begin.
3.12, Unit 7, Vocabulary and Language Focus. Exercise 2. 1.
Marco Polo was only 16 when he joined his father and uncle on an expedition through Asia. During his 24-year journey along the Silk Road, he visited places like Constantinople, Baghdad, and Beijing. By the time he returned to Venice in 1295, he had travelled almost 24,000 kilometres.
2.
Chokan Velikanov is famous for his scientific expeditions to Isikul, 1856, Kulja, 1857, and Kashgaria, 1858. He wrote several books about the geography, history, and culture of Central Asia, including a description of Kashgaria and sketches of Jongaria.
3.
In 1911, Roald Amundsen led the first successful expedition to the South Pole. In 1926, he flew over the North Pole in an airship. 4 years earlier, he had tried to reach the North Pole by ship, but hadn't been successful.
4.
Amelia Earhart was the first woman to fly across the Atlantic Ocean. This was just one of her many records. During a round-the-world flight in 1937, Amelia's plane disappeared somewhere over the Pacific Ocean.
5.
When he boarded Vostok 1 on the 12th of April 1961 at the Baikonur Cosmodrome, Yuri Gagarin had flown in a plane hundreds of times, but he had never flown in a spacecraft. In fact, no one had done that before. Gagarin was the first human to go into outer space. About 8 years later, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon.
Okay, are you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now try to answer. I want to hear your answer. Please, who wants to be at first? Questions? Lena, Hava, please.
My answer to first question. He had traveled almost 24,000 kilometers.
24,000 kilometers. Okay, good now. Are you agree with her?
Yes.
Yes, certainly. You may sit. Thank you. Now, the second. Who wants to the second? Please, Evgeny.
He wrote several books about geography, history, and culture, including description of Kashgaria and sketches of Jongar.
Sketch of Jungar. Yes, okay, good now. Thanks, thank you. Now the third. Camila? Oh, no, Lena, please.
My answer to the third question, in 1926 he flew over the North Pole in an airship.
Airship. Okay, I agree with you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now, next, the fourth. Sabina, please.
My answer to the fourth question, Amelia's plane disappeared somewhere over the Pacific Ocean.
Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. You may see. And the last, please, the fifth. Who wants to say the fifth questions? No, it's not you. Please, Nikita.
Neil Armstrong was the first person who walked on the moon.
Who walked on the moon? Thank you very much. I think all of you understand what about